It's probably pancake hair on me. Whoop, that didn't work. Hi, how you doing? Good? That's cool. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media, and you can also give me a subscribe if you really want to, but you don't have to. That's the beauty of being a human. Free will. And that's pretty much the only free thing on this video. Hi, pals! I'm gonna give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, RESHOEVN8R. We're gonna be cleaning my girlfriend's pair of Uncaged Ultra Boosts today. RESHOEVN8R is a great supplier of sneaker beautification and sneaker cleaning products. This pair is dirty, it's not beat up, but we're gonna use some RESHOEVN8R stuff on here and see how this works out. If you wanna check out RESHOEVN8R's full line of products, hit up the video description and find my referral link down below, and you can be rerouted to the RESHOEVN8R website if that's something you're into. So hold on, what's a motto RESHOEVN8R could use? RESHOEVN8R, hey shoes, time for a bath. I hate myself. So first of all, what is the purpose of cleaning your shoes? I myself clean like 4 to 10 pairs a week, but that's because I get beater boxes. Not everyone sells shoes or has that many shoes to clean. So it's kind of nice to keep them fresh. It also eliminates odors, and it also, in certain cases, can condition some of your pairs. So it's always a good thing to keep your shoes clean because it'll make them last longer and they just look better. The desired outcome for these sneakers today is to obviously clean them, but to get all of this discoloration on the midsole boost, it's a little bit brown. I know it's possible, it just might take some elbow grease. So without further ado, let's go clean these puppies up. So let's start on the outsoles. You get your stiff brush, dunk it in some of the solution. I'm actually gonna work on the midsoles first because you see that stuff right there? I want that gone. Either go in straight motions or concentric circles. And the longer you go in concentric circles on a certain spot, the better for the chance you have of cleaning, especially discoloration, out of the sneakers, especially Boost, because Boost is such a porous material that it pretty much absorbs anything that comes in contact with it over time. I'll be honest, I don't even know if this is gonna come out, but I know it's possible, but there are just certain things that you can't avoid, like science happening on sneakers. Things are gonna get oxidized, things are gonna yellow over time because that's just how materials that are on sneakers work when they're exposed to the elements in air and various other things. Obviously you want to use a stiff brush only on the outsoles and non-painted midsoles because it's literally a stiff bristle brush. It'll snag any kind of knit material, and you do not want that to happen. For really yellowed and dirty Boost, you're gonna have to scrub the area for just an extended period of time. That's unavoidable, but if you just have some patience and some persistence and use some elbow grease, it will get the yellowing out of there. It'll just take a long time, and if that's something you want to have happen, be prepared to scrub for an extended period of time. The nice thing about the stiff bristle brush too, you just want the brush to do the work. You don't have to push down. It's more about the technique than the actual oomph you put into it. I'm gonna be here for a while, so I'm gonna pause the video. All right, so let's work on the uppers. You wanna grab your soft bristle brush, which is perfect for knit uppers, and just same thing, concentric circles. The soft bristle brush will not damage the knit, so that's why we're using that. It also, in general, just works up a better lather than any of the other brushes, in my opinion, because the soft bristle brush holds more solution when you dunk it in. Again, you don't have to push down. Just let the brush do the work for you. You do not have, especially on knit uppers, you don't have to clean the inside of the shoe, mainly because if you're using the laundry system, it'll get the inside of the shoe when you put it through the washer. The other part of it, you got your insole, so we'll clean that really quick. You don't have to clean both sides of the insole, but I do just because I'm weird. So what we're doing in terms of the laundry system is the advanced sneaker cleaning solution is working as kind of a pre-wash. So what you do when you want to put the insole back in is to grab the right insole that you want to put back into the shoe first. The reason you use the soft bristle brush on the insole is because if you do have branding on there, the soft bristles will not make the branding come off. So you put your insole back in, put your shoe tree back in, then you take the shoelace too, just dunk it in the solution, and just kind of hand wash it, just so that we're cleaning all aspects of the sneaker. The tools and techniques we're using for this pair will apply to shoes like Yeezys, other Ultra Boosts, Flyknit Racers, Flyknit Trainers, Prestos in some situations. Basically anything that's got a thin upper. All right, and we are pre-treated. You're gonna grab your laundry bag. This is the easy part. With the shoe tree still in the sneaker, so you want to put them in the bag with the outsoles facing each other. That way, the uppers get cleaned the most. And you just kind of tighten the middle, get them to stay in place. Throw your shoelaces in there with it. Close it up. It's got this nice little thing here that lets you lock it. And let's go to my gross basement and put these in the washer. So again, the main purpose of using the laundry system is to deodorize, condition. I have shared laundry, so the laundry might be in use. This basement is absolutely terrifying. So we're at the washer. Look at that. So we got our RESHOEVN8R cleaning pods, or we got our RESHOEVN8R laundry pods. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Nope. Good old teeth. So you just want to grab one. It's got one pod thing in here. And you got this little pocket thing on the outside of the bag. You throw it into the little laundry pod. So you got your shoes in here, laundry pod in the little pocket thing. Throw them in the washer. You want to make sure that you set it to cold. Doesn't matter, I put it on normal. And you are good to go. And we'll come back in a half hour and see how these turn out. Just finished. Everything is in its bag. Let's go open these puppies upstairs. Okay. So it's an improvement. It's not perfection, but it's an improvement. Again, there's just certain things you can't avoid with material like Boost that absorbs dirt every once in a while and oxidizes after time. But still, they smell clean. There you go. They're actually on my roof right now. air drying. That's all you got to do is you got to air dry them a little bit. But that stuff works really well. And I wanted to showcase a knit sneaker because you use the entire line. So if you're interested in checking out any of the RESHOEVN8R line of products, go down below into the video description, find my referral link, or just go to RESHOEVN8R.com. And keep in mind, free shipping in the US, and they do free returns now, even though you probably won't need to return anything. So referral link, video description, check it out. Yeah, thanks RESHOEVN8R. And thank you for watching, I appreciate it. I'm gonna start doing more in-depth cleaning videos because I kinda have a good time doing it. See you sometime soon for another beater box or mystery box, whatever you wanna call it. So, until next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.